Good morning. We have a 7-year-old female child with a bilateral complete cleft lip and cleft palate. She was operated for cleft lip and cleft palate in her childhood. In fact, she was operated for cleft palate surgery multiple times, and all the time surgery was failed, and she has ended up with a big anterior palatal fistula. Her soft palate is repaired, but probably it's not functioning well, and she has extremely collapsed maxillary arch. So patient has came all the way from Fiji, and like she had surgery earlier in India, but all surgeries failed. So now we are planning to repair her big anterior palatal fistula using bilateral buccal myomucosal flap. So we have started with the surgery. Our expert anesthetist has given suprazygomatic maxillary nerve block, so patient will be quite comfortable post surgery. She will not feel much of a pain, and we are starting with the surgery, and let's wait for the result.